I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roast.
Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day 9. Oh my goodness, this has been like a long day, and I pre-filmed 3 videos. So the first one yesterday was the gift guide for her and for him, and today I filmed a luxury gift guide. So you're gonna see that first and then this video. So I just want to say that uploading every day and also editing the videos, it's so hard. I thought that upload every day, it's gonna be fun. No, this is hard, you guys, and I'm trying my very best to, like, you know, to keep on going, because I had a moment yesterday. I'm like, do I really need to upload, or do I really need to be vlogging for the whole 25 days, or like filming for the whole, like, you know, every single day? Like, do I need that in my life? It's very stressful, let me tell you. It's stressful, and to come up with content to put up so you guys can enjoy and see, it's actually, it's a lot, okay? It's not just like, oh, you know, like, let me sit down and film. Like, no, it's not. It's actually, there's more into it. Like, you have to, like, the energy, you gotta have the energy to film, because if you don't have that energy, even yesterday I was like literally 2 seconds of like not filming, because I just want to get some rest. Like, I just want to get some rest. I've been working non-stop as well for, you know, like, to my regular job, and this one vlogging, so it's like, it's so much going on. But for you guys, I'll do it, and for the sake of this 25 days, probably plus more than that, I'll enjoy it. But right now, like I said, I just filmed the luxury gift guide, and I'm gonna be vlogging. So this will be I think the 9th. Yeah, this will be the 9th vlog. So anyways, I want to show you guys the one that just came in the mail. Sorry, the light is too okay, whatever. Okay, so I just got this in the mail. This is when I ordered last Cyber Monday from Ulta. So I only got like, I think 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I only got 6. Yes. So first things first is this repurchase from The Ordinary. This is the azelaic acid. I love this. I use this literally day, AM and PM, right here. And then the next one is, I want to try this retinol. I keep looking at this freaking TikTok videos, and they told me to get the retinol or retinol, because it will like helps your skin, and you also need like retinol in your skin. So yeah, this is from The Ordinary as well, right there. Okay, so the next one from Milani is this 2 liquid blush. I got the shade Nude Flush and Wine Glow, which is 150 Wine Glow, 110 Nude Flush. So that's the color of the packaging, or like the shade. Super cute. Also, thank God they have this on stock, because this has been like on my list, and I just couldn't get it because it's always sold out. And this has been for years, I mean years, and a lot of people are really afraid about this baked blush in the shade Luminoso, and I still, every time I go to Ulta, they don't have it, like they're out of stock. And then every time I like go check out like the regular drugstore from Walmart or Target, they don't have it because they don't have it in stock. So finally, thank God they have this shade, because I want to try this shade from, the shade Luminoso from Milani Cosmetics. So that's that. Let me open it for you guys. Hold on. that's what it looked like. It's pretty bright pink in the how do you call this, in the camera, but it's very peachy, light peachy. Last but not the least, this is Essence Lash Mascara. This is the waterproof ones. I love this, and this is also a repurchase, and I think they were having on sale because I got a $8 off plus more coupon because I have more coupons from Sephora, not Sephora, Ulta. I'll be also wrapping gifts today, you guys. So the thing is, I don't have a glue gun, and I probably have to get glue gun because I will be wrapping Christmas gifts, and I'm gonna put the Ashlands on the on my gift boxes. So I need a glue gun. I also need some scotch tape. I forgot to get some scotch tape yesterday. Yes, scotch tape, glue gun, and also I think that's it, because I think I'm just gonna get it at the dollar store. Hopefully they have the glue gun from dollar store, or maybe Walmart. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that too. And yes, let me just eat, you guys, because I am so hungry. Like, I'm literally starving right now. So I'm gonna eat, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Alright guys, so we are wrapping gifts right now. So as you guys know, or if you guys saw my latest vlogs, I told you guys about like my theme for this year, and I went on like a very neutral theme. I don't want too much color on like my wrapping gifts. So this one I got from Target, this brown paper wrapping paper, and the white one is I got from Hallmark. So like I said, my theme is gonna be like white and brown. I'll leave the picture here for my theme. I got the idea from Pinterest, and also I got this little how do you call this, like little thing from Michaels. So what I'm gonna do with this one as well is I got from Michaels. This is all just like a value pack ribbon. It's full of twines and, like, you know, ribbons as well. So for this first one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this around this box right here. So alright you guys, so this is the back of the box, and I'm gonna wrap this around like so. So this is what I did. I just wrap around and put like a tape, extra tape. Just use some scotch tape. It would look like that. And if you want more, I kind of like want more. What I did is I wrap around the twine, the brown twine that comes with this little ribbon boxes. I was expecting a lot of twine, but for some reason I can only do like three. I only wrap it 3 times, and I put like this little thing that I got from Michaels. I forgot what they called, but that's literally it. So what I did is, after you wrap around, it also depends on if you want more twine. I'll definitely need more twine than this, but for now I'll just like put this here. I'll slide this one just so, and I'll probably, because I didn't went to the store yesterday, like today, so I'm gonna like go to the store tomorrow and buy a glue gun and just like put like a little glue so they will not, like, you know, move. But yeah, that's literally it. It's very easy. It's just a brown craft paper that I got from Target, like I said. And yeah, this is like my first box, and I'm also gonna do the rest of the box now, and I'll show you guys what I do. Okay, so for the second one, I got this white box from Michaels as well, and the gifts are already here. So there's like 3 items that are already in this box. So if you guys are wondering, this is just the boxes from Michaels, and they're like 6-piece. They have the small ones, not small one, but the regular ones, and I feel like this is like the large version. and I got this for $4.99. So what I'm gonna do with the second one is also wrap with the brown paper, the craft paper. And what I like about this craft paper is that it has lines that, you know, like some of the paper don't come with this like line, so I don't know where I'm going like cutting the paper. So this is actually pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is wrap this around. Then for this one, since I just used the brown twine with that one, I'm gonna use this ribbon, and I'm gonna just put this on this side, like also like wrap around the side actually, the same as like the one that I did with the first one, but what I'm gonna do is wrap around on the side. So before I do that, I'm gonna tape this first. Yeah, I'm gonna tape it like that. So I'm gonna do is like just wrap this around, I think 3 or 2 times, so we'll see. Okay, like this. But let me just put some tape so it will not go anywhere. And then do the same thing. Alright, so I can only do twice. Yes, I can only do twice. Like that. Like that. I don't know, but why is it too light? Okay, just like this. I don't know, I'm still not pretty. What I'm gonna do is put more ribbon to like this, so it's like more unique. Alright, so that's what I did. I used 2 ribbons, and then with this pick I'm gonna just insert it somewhere in the middle, like so, like that, and do it like slanting, just maybe. Okay, hold on, let me fix this. Alright, so that's the second one. I don't know if I should put like a little bit color, but I like it nice and simple. What do you guys think? This one is very simple as well, with a pop of red and white, and this pick is just, you know, a little bit, there's like white frost, it's like a white frosty going on, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And I just want to keep it nice and neat and simple with a little bit of pop of color. I don't know if I want to put color in this one though, like green or red maybe, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And we're back. Oh my goodness, my freaking battery died while I was wrapping the white one, so right here. So all right, with this one I was experimenting, and so what I did is I just tied them around with this ribbon, like a really dark, not dark, but like a grayish brown ribbon. And since the wrapper is white, I put like a little bit color, which is the red thing, and that's literally about it. It's very simple, but you know, very clean and simple. I wanna just make it just simple as like this one, I mean like that one. And then for this one it's almost the same as that one right there with the first one, but I kind of like just wrapped them around. I was having hard time because the twine was really not that long, so but I managed to just tie them around, so that's what it looks like. It's very simple, you guys. I think I'm gonna go back to Michael's to get more twine, because I like the to wrap around, and you know, more, I probably get more this kind. I forgot what's the name of this, but yeah, that's all for this. I don't know if I want to wrap more, but because I'm really tired. But yeah, that's it, and this is just for my friends, and I have more actually. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if you are loving my wrapping skills, because I'd be trying. Okay, I'd be trying here.